Okay, today I'm making a video of my Craftsman 25-gallon air compressor, 4 horsepower, single cylinder, oil free, model number 919.152922, maximum 125 psi, 120/240 volts, 60 hertz, one phase, 15.0/7.5 amps. So it's 15 amps on 120 volts and 204, and 7.45 amps on 240 volts. This was made in 1996. I remember because it said it somewhere on here. I don't know where. Let's see. Somewhere on here it said the date. You guys are probably seeing it right now. I'm not. You know what? It might be on the other side because I don't. Well, I'm pretty sure it's 96. And it's 95 or 96. But anyways, air delivery 9.0 SCFM at 40 psi, 7.0 SCFM at 90 psi, 120 volt, 240 capable, 125 psi max, ASME code tank. So this could run on 240 volts also. But what it does is it actually, this thing transforms it kind of to 240. But so yeah, I'll plug it in and get this going. It's already got some air in it. It's 80 psi. Works good for its age. It's a little dirty, but alright, so here we go. Ooh, it scared me. Yeah, it's done. It is at 120 psi. Well, it's full, and holy crap! Very powerful. Here's another attachment. It's like a blowgun type thing. Put it on here. Very powerful. It will kick back on if it's probably in a second. I'll kick back on if I keep doing it. Well, I'm not gonna kick back on because it's kind of loud. That's off. So anyways, yeah, that's it. I don't really have another video. I figured I might as well put video of something up, and right now I can't do any air conditioning videos like anything like that because it's still cold outside. It got up to 63 today, but I mean that's warm for us. That's because right now in Chicago, right down out in the south suburbs, but it's not warm yet. It's spring, but it hasn't really felt like it lately. I'm probably one of the only ones left on YouTube who hasn't started their air conditioning back up. At least had a warm enough day to test it. Hasn't even got near 80 yet. Highest it got 72. And that's too cold. I mean that's not bad temperature, but right now it's like 60, 58 degrees. So yeah. One day. Then I gotta clean it yet. Sorry, vacuum, I gotta. Anyways. So yeah, that's the Craftsman air compressor. Over and out.